Functions of cell membrane: protective covering of cell, cellular components in confined area, maintains cellular components in confined area, receives external stimuli, help in cellular connectivity between adjacent cells, involved in reproduction, secretion, excretion, signal transduction, help in transportation of materials, involved in recognition of pathogens and foreign particles, involved in recognition between self and non-self, help in absorption, maintain shape of the cell. Functions of cell wall: it gives shape and rigidity to the cell, helps in cell-to-cell interaction with the help of plasmodesmata formation. It protects cell from mechanical injuries and external stimuli. It provides barrier to invading undesirable pathogens, etc. It prevents bursting of cell in hypotonic solution or due to endoosmosis. Functions of cytoplasm: it provides raw materials for functions of different cell organelles. It helps in exchange of materials between different cell organelles through cyclosis process. It helps in catabolic activities like glycolysis, anaerobic respiration, etc. Cytoplasm acts as seat for synthesis of different compounds like fat, protein, carbohydrate, etc. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum: maintain framework or structure of cell, provides raw material for lysosomal enzymes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum involved in lipid sterol glycogen synthesis. SER help in contraction and relaxation of muscle cell. SER help in detoxification of drugs and xenobiotics in liver cell. RER, it is site for ribosome attachment and protein synthesis. ER, it help in synthesis of lipoprotein, formation of nuclear membrane during telophase. ER involved in formation of desmotubule, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in vacuole formation. Functions of Golgi body: formation of glycoprotein, that is glycosylation, and glycolipid, that is glycosidation. Cell membrane formation during cytokinesis. Formation of cell plate and middle lamella. Secretion of mucilage in root cap cells. Formation of acrosome of sperm cell. Involved in modification, packaging, and transportation of materials. Functions of lysosome: lysosome involved in digestion of materials, involved in autophagy, heterophagy, and extracellular digestion, involved in autodigestion, autolysis, autodissolution, help in digestion of tail of tadpole during metamorphosis. Functions of vacuole: sac vacuole, storage of materials, salts, ions, secretory and excretory substances, minerals, etc. Food vacuole, capturing and digestion of solid food material by the lysosome, digestion of material by the lysosome. Contractile vacuole, water balance and osmoregulation as well as excretion. Pseudo vacuole or gas vacuole provides buoyancy, helps in floating. Functions of mitochondria: it is involved in aerobic respiration, help in production of cellular energy, that is ATP, provide raw materials for synthesis of different compounds like chlorophyll, cytochrome, alkaloid, terpene, pyrimidine, sterol, and amino acids, involved in metabolism of fatty acids. Functions of leucoplast: storage of different food materials. Amyloplast store starch, Aleuroplast stores protein. Lipidoplast or oiloplast stores lipid and oil. Functions of chromoplast. It provides color. It helps to attract pollinators. Functions of chloroplast. It is involved in photosynthesis, that is synthesis of food. It is also involved in storage of starch. Functions of ribosome. Ribosome also called protein factory of the cell. Ribosome, it is involved in synthesis of protein process called translation. Attached ribosomes synthesize secretory proteins for extracellular use. Free ribosomes or cytoplasmic ribosomes synthesize proteins for intracellular use. Ribosome also synthesize certain protein called chaperone. Chaperone proteins assist higher level folding of other proteins. Functions of microtubules. Mechanical support to the cell, maintain shape. Fixing the position of cell organelles. Intracellular transport of materials. Formation of astral rays and spindle fibers. Structural component of centriole, cilia, flagella. Decide position of cell plate. Chromosomal movement, that is pulling of chromosomes during anaphase. Functions of microfilament. Support the cell membrane. Form contractile system. Help in cyclosis, that is cytoplasmic screening. Pseudopodia formation and amoeboid movement. Perform cell furrow, that is cleavage furrow in animal cytokinesis. Help in exocytosis and endocytosis processes. Functions of centrosome, centriole. Formation of mitotic spindle apparatus. Form structure of basal body of cilia, flagella. Decide plane of cell division. Functions of cilia: locomotion, attachment, feeding, sensation. Functions of flagella: locomotion. Functions of nucleus: stores genetic information in its DNA molecule, controls cellular or metabolic activity, passes genetic information required for growth, development, metabolism, reproduction, and behavior of the organisms. Nucleolus forms ribosomes. Cellular differentiation with respect to shape, size, function controlled by chromosomes. Change in genetic information causes variation. Types of chromosomes based on location or position of centromere. Metacentric chromosome, centromere in the center, V shape, also called isobrachial chromosome. Some metacentric chromosome, centromere away from the center, L shaped. Acrocentric chromosome, centromere near the tip, J shape. Some metacentric chromosome, acrocentric chromosome, also called heterobrachial chromosomes. Heterocentric chromosome, centromere at the tip, I-shaped. Acrocentric chromosome has maximum arm ratio, that is Q by P. Ribosomes are of two types: 70S type ribosome, 80S type ribosome. 70S type ribosome has 60% RNA, 40% protein. 70S type ribosome contains total 55 proteins. 80S type ribosome has 40% RNA and 60% proteins. 80S type ribosome contains total 73 proteins.